Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. Welcome to Early Foundation International School. So before going to start our today's session, what we have to know? Date and day. What's today's date? 28 December 2021. Date Tuesday. Which subject? ES1. What's the lesson name? Types of houses. See, in the types of houses we have got various houses like multi-story buildings, tree house, nomads, tents, cabin, houseboat, isn't it? And also some of the people who cannot offer for a food, they have to live in a public places as their shelter. Any doubts in the previous thing? No, right? So we will learn new concept. So you have learned about the different types of houses. A house is necessary for all of us. We should take good care of it, isn't it? No? Because what are the belongings means for morning waking up, brushing teeth, completing everything, taking bath, wearing new dress, having food, then we are coming out. Then after as soon as we went out to the home, we are changing our dresses and we are reading, writing, having food with the family, talking, seeing TV, mobile, then sleeping. So we need house. House is important for everyone, isn't it?
Yes,
Will you agree, students? Good way present in the class. So we have to take good care for it. Okay, we have to take because the house is very important for us. It is giving everything for us, isn't it? So when we are sad, it will change. It will change to the sad mode. No, it remains same. When we are happy, it will change to the happy mode. It will be same, isn't it? So every time, always the house is like a smile. House is like a shelter, isn't it? So how to maintain our houses? So we are going to learn about how to maintain our houses. The first point is to be healthy, we need sunlight and fresh air inside our house. So we should keep windows open to let in sunlight and fresh air. The first point is how to maintain our houses. So every day we are waking up and every day we need what? Sunlight. Now for that purpose what we have to do is we should keep windows open to let in sunlight and fresh air, isn't it? And fresh air. Why we need sunlight and fresh air? First, fresh air is for breathing, to keep our good breathing. Next, what about sunlight? So from the sunlight we are getting vitamin D, isn't it? Vitamin D, vitamin E, and also what are the germs or any microorganism which is present around our houses or inside our houses, everything has been burned in the sunlight, isn't it? So we need, so whatever makes the houses should have the large windows and also the sunlight. Why they need the large house? Because large windows to let in the sunlight and also the fresh air. Understood about the first thing? Next, our houses should be free from dirt and dust. We should sweep and mop the floor daily. Walls should be kept clean. All the rooms should be kept neat and tidy. So every day what we have to do? So we should sweep and mop the floors daily, and also we should take care of walls, next, and rooms neat and tidy. So after that, sun will enter. If you are keeping, so the vegetable what we are cutting, we are throwing in the hall, and the fruits what we are cutting, we are throwing in the rooms. And what are the waste, what are the food it is remaining of the morning, we are going and throwing in the rooms. walls, room neat and tidy. You have to take care of the rooms. So morning everyone you will wake up, right? Who will fold the blankets?
Mother.
Very bad. You are a grown up children. You only should. Yes, very good, Harsha. You only should fold your blankets. And what are the thing? Mattresses. Everything you only fold and you only should keep. If the mattresses is very heavy, leave it. You can fold the blankets, no?
I will fold small.
Small you can fold. Okay. So from today onwards, you will tell to your mother, hey mama, first fold this. What, I wake up now, I out my brush.
No.
You should not.
I wake up only the mother will go to office.
So only we should take care of our family also by helping, by what? By folding the blankets and also what are the cutting there, no vegetables, fruits. Throw it in a dustbin. Okay? The pillow arrangement. So in the hall, if there is a hall, arrange the divans or sofas in a correct way. In the table, if every paper has been placed in a unorder level, placed in a correct order. In the kitchen, if some of the utensils are being placed in a separate, means not in the correct area, please make them to arrange in a correct way. So if you see the cleanliness, what is there? So your morning, if you wake up, when you do all these things, what do you feel? You feel also very good, isn't it? The day should be good, means when you keep your house clean, the day will be good for you. Okay? So you have to take care of this. Okay, children? Next thing is, garbage should be thrown in the dustbin. Dustbin should be regularly emptied. So next thing is, dustbin should be regularly emptied. Already we know that, no? So nowadays the BPMT. So they are coming to collect the garbage. So within 2 days, within 2 days they will come to collect the garbage. You have to throw everything for them, not to outside. Okay? When you do these things, your home will be good and you are free from the germs. Okay? The next point is, dirty water should be allowed to collect near the house. Otherwise, this is causing mosquitoes will lay eggs in it. This will cause diseases. So you have to maintain. Dirty water should go to proper place, isn't it? The washing of clothes, washing of the utensils, and your bathing water, the other water, it should go in a separate way. Why? Because the mosquitoes' houses where the water, dirty water only, the mosquitoes will grow. So you may get the diseases. So to avoid that, you have to maintain the dirty water should go to a proper place. Okay. The next thing is the toilets, bathrooms, wash basins should be cleaned from time to time. This will prevent the growth of germs. That is means you have to take care of bathrooms, toilets, washrooms to clean regularly. So, if you maintain all these things, you can maintain our houses. Okay. So we will just recall what are the things. Okay. First is this: we should keep windows open to let in sunlight and fresh air. The next thing is we should sweep and mop the floor daily. Take care of walls, rooms, neat and tidy. Next thing is dustbin should be regularly emptied. Next, maintain dirty water should be go in a proper place. Next, take care of the bathroom, toilet, washroom to clean regularly. Understood? So these are the things we have to keep in our mind. Okay. So do you know, students, the tallest building in the world in Dubai, its name is Burj Khalifa. So its name is Burj Khalifa. So which is present in Dubai. It has 163 floors, just two things. So our houses may be 1 floor, 2 floor or 3 floor. This much only. But 163 floors, how they can clean the thing? How they can keep? So it is the tallest building in the world. Okay. option. Keep this in mind. Okay, children. Next, some extreme weather condition can cause damage to houses. As for example, heavy rain, powerful winds, shaking of the ground, and so on. This make people homeless. See, houses. So this is through the flood. You already know this how the flood will happen, isn't it? Everyone, you know now how the flood will happen. Next thing is it is the earthquake. Sorry, earthquake. No, this is about powerful winds. That cyclone and all will come. No, that time powerful winds will come. No, so the complete house will get along with the tent. It will get off. Next thing is it is the earthquake, shaking of the land or the earth. Okay, you know these three things you can see. Next thing is, have you ever heard of any such condition? What happens when people lose their houses? They need to live in temporary shelters. They are taken care of by the government. What will happen to animal shelters in such cases? Find out. So this is the thing you have to find out. Okay, in your 4-line book, write down about this. Okay, suppose if they lost the houses in the flood or a strong wind or a earthquake, what will happen? The people will lose their homes and they will go for a shelter home, isn't it? So which is provided by the government, and they does not know how many people they have went off like that. And coming to the animals, they does not know how much the animals will go, isn't it? So they will be on the streets. Okay, you have to write down. Next, special homes. Have you heard about orphans? So they are the special shelter for children who have lost their parents and family, isn't it? Orphans. So old age home. So the other houses, the special houses were orphans. Old age. So in the orphans, so here it is a place where the people lost their parents in any accident or any earthquake or any wind or any flood. So they will take care under this orphan. Old age homes is, as we all know that, the name indicating old people. The children who is making their parents to go out of their homes, they used to go and stay here. Will you make your parents the same condition? No. You should look after. Every day you should be thankful to your parents, because without parents, this beautiful birth is not there, isn't it? Every day we have to thank our parent for our birth. So we should not do it, students. Old age home is another such special home. It is a shelter for old people who do not have anyone else to take care of them. So old age homes, not only family trauma, some of them have been lost. Some of the old grandfathers or grandmothers, they have lost their children in an accident. That people also will be there here. Okay. So this is about your end of your lesson. Having any doubts? Question number 15. To be healthy, what should our houses have? Option C. Mosquitoes lay eggs in dirty and stagnant water. Option B. Why should our houses be clean? Or write down any one of the point. Okay. Or you can write down. So in this, here it is there, no? Because second option is there, no? Second one. Our houses should be free from dirt and dust. We should sweep and mop the floor daily. Walls should be kept clean. All the rooms should be kept neat and tidy. You have to write down that. Or 17. Next. Why should we keep the windows of our houses open? So for that first reason, to be healthy, we need sunlight and fresh air inside our houses. So we should keep windows open to let in sunlight and fresh air. This is for 18th question. Okay, 19. Look at the images and write the ways to keep our houses clean. So first thing is, she is taking care of walls, rooms, making rooms neat and tidy for option A. Okay. B is, we should sweep and mop the floor daily. Here only answers. Okay. So this is for 19th A and this is for 19th B. Okay. Copy this. Next. So next is maintain dirty water should be, so dustbin should be emptied, or you can write down. So garbages should be thrown in the dustbins. Option 3, third one is there, no, in page number 24. Garbages should be thrown in dustbins. You have to write down that. Next, the fourth one is So take care of bathroom, toilet, washroom to clean regularly. You can write down. Or here only. So should be like this is to prevent the growth of hairs. Also you can write down. Okay. So clear about the 19th question. 28 draw lines to correct the correct option, and one has been done for you. Igloo, blocks of snow, keeps it warm inside. Orphans, special homes, shelter from children who have lost their parents and family. You have to mark like this and this. Next, caravans. Caravans are the houses on wheels. So, grouping of people traveling together. Next, old age home, special homes, shelter for old people who do not have anyone else to take care of them. Okay. So, you will do it right? Yes, children. I hope you enjoyed the class. I will meet you in the next class with a new lesson. Until then, take care. Please do the homework and send them.